Welcome to Rafael's farm. Today, we are going to use a chainsaw to cut down a tree that was split during a storm. See how many branches this tree has? We're going to cut them down. Dad is going to fire up the chainsaw. The kids are ready for the show. See how the branches are touching the ground? This is preventing the tree from falling to the ground. Dad has to cut the little branches off first. Now it's time to help clean up. Let's get out our kids' chainsaw and start cutting some branches. Dad cuts the big branch into smaller logs so that they are easy to carry. Let's count how many notches have been cut into this branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another part of the tree where the branches are touching the ground and need to be cut off before the big branch can fall to the ground. A wedge is cut into the tree to make it easier for the branch to fall down.
Whoa! That was a big one.
Let's get some more branches cut with our toy chainsaw.
Whoa! You did it.
the kids want to help out today.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. We got the tree cut down using our chainsaw.
Papa, say don't.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.